Turncoat. Anong ibig sabihin yan? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na ito. Turncoat is a noun. At para madaling tandaan, simple lang siya. Balimbing. Hindi yung prutas ha, pero yung tao na traidor or someone who turns away or leaves their group or yung kanilang loyalty sa isang party to transfer doon sa opposite side, kumbaga. Well, it's fascinating kung saan nanggaling yung term na yan. But the idea goes like this. Kung iba ang kulay ng lining ng iyong coat, or kung meron kang sinusuot na badges or any pins, anything that shows kung ano yung loyalty mo, when you remove your coat and turn it over, mag-iiba ng kulay, or at least matatakpan kung ano yung mga patches mo or ano yung original na kulay ng coat mo. And in history, there were people who literally turned their coat to join the other side. At syempre, ang nature ng history na paulit-ulit o paikot-ikot, laging merong ganyan. We can use it in a sentence by saying, he was not a hero. He's nothing but a coward and a turncoat. Hindi siya bayani. Siya ay duwag at traidor. Alright, that's today's word of the day. Para hindi nyo makalimutan, gamitin yung sentence, comment nyo sa baba, and don't forget to follow me for more.